In front of me is OnePlus Nord 6, and today I would like to show you how you can clean storage. First of all, you need to find Files app that's already on your smartphone. It should be in Google folder. This one. Once you launch it, click on those three lines at the top left corner of it. Then select Clean. Tap on Clean under Junk Files, and last but not least, Clear in the pop-up. So when I do that, as you can see, storage of my device was successfully cleaned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!